like to tell you about how to make coconut ice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Now I would like to tell you about how to make coconut ice. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. Hi, my name is Karisma Ratujaga. Her name is Rabani Widya Astuti, and her name is Rolita Gusrita. His name is Hadiri Hamzah, and his name is Kamarudin Ibnu Samsu. His name is Randi Wijaya, and the last is Satria Pujiku. So now I would like to tell you about how to make coconut ice. The material of the coconut ice is The ingredients of the coconut ice is first ice cubes, and then chocolate jelly, and coconut with the apple, and the last is milk.
The first step to make yang coconut ice, maka pertama membuat wadah. Okay, pour the ice cube to the glass. Tuangkan gelas kan? Okay.
So the first step of young coconut ice
To
is
make yang coconut ice is take your glass. Over there. Okay, and then you pour the ice cube to the glass. To the cup. Okay, cup. And then the second step is
pour the chocolate jelly to the cup.
the color is the brown.
Next, we have to pour the coconut.
Yang coconut, no coconut.
Mati aku.
Kelapa muda. Okay. Little bit sedikit aja. Full of the cup.
Makan juga.
Just an example. And then pour the milk.
Pour the milk.
Bu Guru.
Rasakan kami
enggak?
No.
Okay. Okay, so the step
is pour the coconut water. And
the
then
last step. Oh no. What about the last step?
nanti dia pakai.
Okay, the last step. Okay. For the apple.
The next step is pour the apple,
Okay, some apple.
and the last is
Is for the biji kelas. Classy seeds atau biji kelas. Yes.
Okay.
Looks yummy.
The final result.
Young coconut ice with topping the apple and slicey seeds. Wow.